Welcome to Cooking with Hilda. Today we are gonna talk about a beautiful country named El Salvador. El Salvador has amazing, impressive views, but also delicious food with many popular dishes. My personal favorite are pupusas. Pupusas are a dream come true and they are very easy to make. In this video, I am going to share with you the secrets that I have to make these delicious pupusas so you can make them in your home. I started making this sauce by cooking 4 pounds of tomatoes, Roma tomatoes, 1 red onion, some green onion too, 7 garlic cloves, but you can leave these out if you don't like garlic. And also you can do the same with 3 Thai peppers. These are spicy, but I like spicy. Now I added chicken bouillon and then mixed it. Now we clean and chop our cabbage. After you chop the cabbage, you cook it in very hot water for around 5 minutes. Do the same with the carrots and cook them for around 7 minutes. Slice very thinly an onion and add it to the curtido. Slice 3 jalapeno peppers, but if you don't like spicy, that's okay. Just leave these jalapenos out of your curtido. Now to finish the curtido, mix the cooked cabbage and carrots, and to this we'd add 1 cup of vinegar mixed with half cup of water. I choose this time to use apple cider vinegar. Use 1/8 of a cup of dried oregano. This ingredient is very important because it gives you the authentic flavor of Salvadoreñan curtido. And adjust to your taste with salt. Now to make the pupusas dough, you will need instant corn flour, and I add 1 teaspoon of salt. Traditionally, the pupusas dough is made by hand, but because I like to add extra hot water to make the pupusas, I choose to use the KitchenAid. You can see there, the water is extra hot, super hot, and that's why I like to use these. The dough has to be very soft. And one of the secrets to reach this super extra soft dough is mixing it with very hot water. Now I want you guys to see the consistency of this dough. It's super extra soft because of the extra hot water that I use. It's not sticky, it's not sticking to my hand. It's super soft. To fill our pupusas, we're gonna use mozzarella cheese, and you can mix this mozzarella cheese with some milk to make it soft. Today I choose to leave it like that. I wet my hands a little bit and I form like a little tortilla like this, and then in the middle I put a little bit of cheese and then I close it. You see, you can choose wherever kind of cheese you prefer, and then you close it and smash it a little bit more to form like a patty. If you wet your hands, they're gonna be like that. And if they crack, you can always fix it with a little more water. That's it. And then you cook them. See if they crack, don't worry, just fix it with more water. Make a tortilla, put a little bit of cheese in the middle, and close it. Close it, close it, close it, close it, close it, close it. And then mash it a little bit more to make a nice pupusa. Now I want you guys to see how delicious their pupusas are with the cheese inside. I'm sure your kids are gonna love these delicious pupusas. Now let's eat these delicious pupusas. Put some curtido on top of them. On top of the curtido you put some sauce. And let's go taste them. Now that we have here our pupusa, let's taste it.
So cheesy and warm in the combination.
It is time for me to say thank you for being one more time here in Cooking with Hilda. And if you liked this video and found value in it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. See you guys next time here in Cooking with Hilda.